Hello all, hope you're doing good and having good holidays. It's Heisenberg here, as usually covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dollar, stock market in general. First of all, everything shared here is not a financial advice, it's just my thoughts of how market is going to play out. Always do your own research and use proper risk management. So, starting with Bitcoin, let's check on the higher time frames. Nothing has changed for me. As I said on the last stream, key resistance area and key support zone. It's only range bound from here to here, in my opinion, on the macro perspective. Nothing has changed. Get above this key zone here. First target is this zone. Get under this zone here. First target is here. Nothing more, nothing less. It's clean enough. Same with Ethereum, is getting rejected on the macro resistance area, which I talked about on the last stream. If we get close above here, first target is this high, second target is this zone here. Breakdown of this trend line, first target, second one, and the third target. Nothing more, nothing less. As we said on the last stream, nothing has changed. Also, for short-term trades, what I'm seeing is a kind of bear flag, I think. I'm gonna call it like this. Potential scenario that I'm thinking about is bearish retest of this trend line, go down again towards this zone, and if we break down of this zone, first target and the second target. Let me mark out the prices to be more accurate. Okay, here, just a second. Okay, like this. It's simple. I'm not going to short the retest of this trend line with target here. I don't feel convinced about it, but I'm gonna short if we lose this zone towards here and as potentially second target here, or long the breakout of this zone towards here. As for now, this zone doesn't give me conviction of how market or where market is gonna head next. Also for Ethereum, as I said, deviation, bearish retest, deviation, bearish retest, deviation, bearish retest. For as long as it stays above under the green zone, I think target 1 is the black one. If we reclaim this zone, target 1, target 2, and target 3 are easy. It's all about ranges. Range here, range here, range here, range here, breakdown of this trend line. First target are these lows, second target is this orange zone, third target are the lows here. Only if we break down of this purple zone and this key trend line that I've been talking about it for weeks now. Nothing more, nothing less. Above green, target, as long as we stay under it, target is here. Under this, target, above this, it's easy. On where liquidity stands and why I shorted today Bitcoin was easy. Let me clean up the chart. Okay, it was easy. Last quarter's high, last confluent with last month's high, last week's high, last week's low. Let me make them on red. Monday's high, making it on blue. Monday's low. Clean. It was key rejection zone, this zone here. Last quarter's high, last month's high, last week's high, and Monday's high. It was full of liquidity. Where I took profit with the first account, I took profit here on these equal lows, and the second is still running with stops at profit. So I'm not, I'm confident on holding it. Second target, if we potentially get it, is this last week's low. also confluent with this fair value gap of this one. This is a key zone I'm monitoring for a bounce if we get there. Where liquidity stays above now is mostly cleaned up. Key is this liquidity here. Also this inefficiency here towards this zone. If we get above the macro resistance zone that I talked about. Next, Ethereum. Also for Bitcoin, two more lows I'm gonna mark out. One is this low here, and the second one is this one. On Ethereum, these are the lows and the highs I'm monitoring. Key for now. Equal highs and equal lows here. Bitcoin dominance still has room to go up. Still, I'm not convinced that Bitcoin season is over. Dollar index at the daily mid-range. If we get above this zone here, I'm targeting here as first target. I think this is gonna be broken and target here. If we get fixed above this black zone, target here as first target, and second target is this zone here. But as long as we haven't not found support and not consolidated above the red one, dollar also can come towards the daily range quarter. SPX looks like double top to me, confirmed only if we lose this zone here. Is losing its momentum, I think, and confluent with Nasdaq also has double top. It's at the key resistance zone on daily. Two deviations. The second deviations most of the time is real. As long as it stays under the green zone, my first target is here and second target is this zone here. 14,300. As BTC, deviation, now retesting, rejected at the key resistance area. As long as this one holds, this is first target and second target. If we get close under this key zone, first target is these lows and second target is here. Third target is here if we get there. I'm not convinced that we get there, but we'll leave the market to do its own work. So on short term, this is it. My key scenarios that I think I'm gonna play out. I'm still cautious on playing out altcoins, and I'm still cautious on playing Bitcoin longs until 31.8, 32.5k is broken, and its price consolidates above it for a time. This is it. If you find the content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for the support. Remember, everything shared here is not a financial advice. It's just my thoughts of how market is gonna play out. Nothing more, nothing less. Always do your own research. Enjoy the holidays, enjoy the sunny days, and cheers from me, Heisenberg.